Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. I wanted to share with you guys my favorite BH Cosmetic brush. I have a lot of brushes from BH Cosmetics, but these are like the bomb. Most of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. I have favorites, but this one, like, I fell in love with it. So this is the brush here that we are gonna be trying out today. So this is one of their rose gold 13-piece brush set, and you also get a holder to put your brush in there. Now this is retail for $26 and you get a lot for your money. I got these brushes from Ulta, and I actually have another set of these. I love it so much I had to get another set because these brushes are really soft. They are not like harsh on the skin. They blend out really good. If you're looking for like brush set from BH Cosmetics, this is the one that you need to get, okay? So this is what the brushes looks like. It has a black handle and the rose gold. So this is one of my favorite brush. I use this for under the eyes. So you get 4 face brush right here. So these are the face brushes. Okay, this one here is a powder brush. This here you could also use for blush, to apply the blush, or I will use it to set under the eyes. This one here is a flat head brush, foundation brush. On the handle, they just has numbers, so this is number 3. This one, I really do like this one as well. It's not that hard, but it's very sturdy, okay? And this one here is number 4. I guess this one you could use it as concealer. We're gonna try this one. I don't even think I ever use this one for concealer, but we're gonna try it today. And the other pieces that we have here, okay, these ones, I think you could use this one as, you know, I use it for when I'm applying lipstick. And you get a spoolie as well. Like I tell you guys, you get 13 pieces of these brushes. I'm gonna use this primer from ColourPop. Sure you guys know about BH Cosmetics. BH Cosmetics been out for years, okay? When I started collecting makeup, BH Cosmetics was the first company that I bought my brushes and my eyeshadows from. I've been a big fan of BH Cosmetics for years, and whenever I do like a giveaway, I tend to give away most of my BH Cosmetics products because I have so much. Video is not sponsored anything. I'm just telling you guys, I really do like BH Cosmetics, and because of the price, I think I stuck with them for a long time. You will get like a big palette maybe for like $3, okay? I know exactly how they feel on the face. They are really soft. They really don't poke into the skin or anything like that. They're just like so good, okay? I have no problem buying stuff from BH Cosmetics. I think they are a really good company. They are very cheap. If you are a makeup artist or you're just starting off collecting makeup, BH Cosmetics is a place to go, but don't spend all your money because BH Cosmetics website addictive, okay? We're gonna be using this foundation today. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is their photo focus foundation stick, and this is the shade Almond. I haven't used this foundation stick in a while, so we're gonna go with this. Now this is a great foundation stick. It's not drying or anything like that. So this is the first brush that we're going to use. This is number 3, and this is a foundation brush. So I really do like this brush. It's really soft on the skin, and let's just see. So you guys could see. I know exactly how it feels on the face, and so you guys could have an idea if you decide to get this brush. You see how it blends out the product really fast, and it's just a really nice brush, guys. Like, look at this. I think this foundation is a little too light for me. I haven't used this foundation in a while. I think this foundation is more for like more winter time. I think this is why like I stopped wearing it, but bronzer, and it's gonna darken it up a little bit. It does soak up the product a little bit, but I just like it. I'm not gonna put more of the foundation because I don't want like a full coverage. I like light foundation these days, so that's what I'm gonna go for. The brush blend out the product really fast. It does soak up the product a little bit, as you guys can see, but I think all brushes does that. So I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is hazelnut, okay? This is a little dark. And this brush that we're gonna use here, I don't know if this is a concealer brush. I think it is. It really don't tell me. But you could use this, you know, I guess to put highlighter or anything on, but I'm gonna use it for the concealer. And this one is a little soft, but like I told you guys in previous videos, you could use the product however you want. You know, is really don't care. But it, you know, it blends out really nice, you see? So what I usually do, I just like pat it in and then, you know, I don't want to move the product. I just like pat it in. I just want a little bit of concealer right there. At least if you have like 1 or 2 concealers in your collection, you're good. I just think I went overboard on buying so much products over the years. My mind really changed a lot about makeup, okay? Like having so much makeup in your collection, I don't think I would ever do this again, like buying too much product. You know, when I started collecting makeup, you know, it's still something that I really like doing. But I'm just one person. Like, how many eyeshadows do I need? I'm speaking from experience. It's just like too much. Over the years, I think that, you know, I get so hyped on collecting so much makeup. And when you get into, you know, collecting, you buy things that you think you need. And I'm telling you guys, like, you don't need all of these. Like, don't follow other people on YouTube that have like a whole room of makeup because they expire, okay? But you see right here how it blend out the product really good. You see? And I really do like this brush for this step because it blends out everything really good. Well, you don't need to go in with the sponge. You could just use the brush and you just, you know. So we're gonna set it. This is my favorite, as you guys know, okay? So like I told you guys in the beginning, this is one of the brushes that I really do like. It's just really soft on the skin, you know, set the product really good. Let me show you guys, like, this is a must-have. And I don't even think BH Cosmetics sell some of their brushes like singles, but girl, it doesn't even matter. You need the whole set, okay? Because it's a little bit more cheaper. So what I do, I use a brush like this and I just like, you know, try to look up a little bit and put the product under the eyes. I told you guys in previous video, and I have a few of new subscribers. You guys probably watching this video for the first time. These type of brushes are really good. I stopped using sponge under the eyes. You know, use the makeup however you want, especially when it comes to your skin type. Now I have dry skin and I don't think if you have dry skin, the sponge works because it just makes under the eyes really dry. That's just me, okay? So I rather use a brush. It just makes a, you know, the product a little bit more smooth on my skin and I don't feel like any dryness. Now this is really good. Even though it's a translucent powder, it has no flashback, okay? Okay, this is from Laura Mercier, okay? You should know that if you are an OG on here. So I'm gonna go in again, you know, look up and pat the product under the eye. And you really don't need a lot of this product. But sometimes I go like, you know, heavy, and I'm gonna put a little bit around the nose because I think I put concealer there. You can also use the translucent powder all over the face. Like I said, you just use it however you like. And I'm gonna put some on here. You see, I need to actually blend this a little bit more better. And sometimes I can't really see properly, so. Okay, so you see how everything blending out really nice? Like I really do like these brushes, okay? And if you get these brushes, you're not gonna be disappointed, okay? I wanna just bronze the face today. So I'm gonna use this here. This is from Mental Cosmetics. I'm going to use this bronzer. This is Yacht Life. Okay, you could use the same brush to bronze the face. So I'm just going to clean that off. I'm going to dip in. And I'm just going to place it. Like I said, like the foundation is a little too light. So this is going to help me get a little color back into the skin. So all I do, I just like pat it in first. And then I would, you know, fix it in the end. So if you have sensitive skin like myself, this brush is gonna work really good on the skin. Now, another thing I'm gonna recommend, whenever you get a brush set, you need to wash it before you apply it on the skin. And then I just work in circles, you know, just to blend everything. See? This product is not that heavy, so it works really good for the skin. So everything is coming together. I wish they had the set like singles. I would probably get like 4 of these. Like, I just like it. Okay? And you see how it just like works really good. This is number 2, okay? I use this brush for all over the face. I'm gonna use a different face powder today. I'm gonna give the Fenty a break. So I'm gonna be using this powder here. This is from MAC. And this is their mineral skin finish powder. Okay, this is it here, and this shade here is dark deep. So I'm gonna start in the bottom as always. All I'm doing is just like patting the stuff. So it's gonna take off the shine a little bit, and that is fine. The foundation is more for dry skin, so it will give me a little shine. It's a little bit dewy. Okay, so that's why my forehead is a little bit shiny. I use all of these 4 brushes here for my entire face, so you guys could see that you don't really need to spend so much money on brushes. BH Cosmetics is not paying me a dime to say anything about their brand. This is just from my experience. I want to put some blush on, so I'm gonna clean the brush so I don't have to use something else. This is a brush that I like to use for my blush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place Blush Volume 1. And I'm gonna go in with this color here. And I'm just gonna put it over here. So like I told you guys, you could use that same brush, like whatever you wanna do. And I'm also gonna put a little bit on the nose, you know, to just give my nose a little color. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back with my powder brush, you know, just to take out some of that color. You know, I tend to put a lot of the blush sometimes, so you know, I just use the powder brush to go over it. So I'm gonna go in with my palette here. I don't even know what eyeshadows in here. All right, so I'm gonna use one of these brush here. I'm going through a phase right now with just like natural. So with natural makeup, that's just what I like. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it all over the lid. So I just wanted to like show you guys how the brush works anyway. Now these brushes, they're a little bit like a little softer than the face brushes. They're a little bit too soft for me, but they blend out the product really good, as you guys can see. I wish it was a little, you know, dense. Okay, yeah, as you guys can see, like it's a little bit too soft. This one is a little bit more dense than the other one I use, so this one is much better. I'm just gonna blend that out. If you're looking for good brushes on a budget, these are only like $26. Get a 13-piece brush set, and I think this is a great buy. Now this is my second time buying this, and I love it. I love these. They work really good. They're very soft on the skin. I have no problem with them, especially the face brushes. These are like the bomb, okay? I love the rose gold on there. There's only one of the brush that is a little bit too soft. This is it here. It's a little bit too soft for me, especially like when you're blending out right here. The only one that's a little sturdy is this one, so you get to blend the product really good. But I still do like both of them. I like these brushes. You get everything in here for $26. You could do your entire face with these. You could travel with these. And I like the holder because when I use my brushes, I use all my holders to put my dirty brushes. These are the dirty ones that I just used. Okay, and these are the clean ones I have in my drawer. Okay, so I really do like them. I had these for years. They don't even shed or anything like that. They are really, really strong. Okay, these are the ones that I just use, and you could tell like they are dirty. Okay, so I do recommend these for you guys. Like, BH Cosmetics has brushes on sale all the time. You may be able to get it on sale on their website, but Ulta have it for $26 regular price. But let me know what you guys think about these brushes. If you have it in your collection, let me know what you guys think about these brushes. And if you don't have it and you're looking for a brush set, this is it, girl. Just get it. You're not gonna regret it, okay? If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. We have a goal that we are trying to reach at the end of the year, but I don't really think I'm gonna reach that goal, but I'm still trying my best. If we don't reach the 5,000 subscribers, I appreciate you guys either way. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I see you, girl. Thank you guys so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much as well. And if you are new here, first time here, just watching this video, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends and family so it could get out there so other people could see the video. Appreciate it, girl. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.